Yeah, just turn and burn. Smash and thrash. Gain and sustain. Welcome back everyone to Afterburner 7. Today a wolf attacks you in the woods. What do you use to defend yourself with? Your bare hands. You are the weapon. Today, no equipment needed. High intensity bodyweight circuit. 10 exercises, minute, no transition. Because who needs rest inside 10 minutes? All the moves we've done before in my 50 workout series. So get your butts back there and rehearse yourself so you know what's coming. I won't lead into it. We're just doing them. And you're warmed up properly for a high intensity, athletic based movement circuit. So all the joints are prepped, heart rate's still warmed up, ready to go. That's it. I'll discuss tactic once we get going. It's a 10-second lead in and that 10 minutes starts. Last sip of water now, say a prayer, and keep your sweat towel nearby. Okay, here we are. The body's the weapon. We're getting ready to work. 10-second lead in. No transitions, like I said, so minute to the minute to the minute. The list is over here. I'll scream them out. You can push as hard as you want inside the minute, go unbroken, or you're just gonna get crushed and hit a wall and you'll have to take those forced breaks. That's all the advice I'm gonna say. Otherwise, just modify as needed, slow it down. You can slow me down, make this workout longer. You can do this workout twice in a row. Whatever you wanna do, world's your oyster. Let's go for it. 10-second lead in. And I'll tell you what the first move is. Oh boy. So we're going imaginary line, over, back, twice, and then 4 high knees, repeating. And go. Boom, 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 boom. Ha, 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 ha. That's what we're gonna repeat. Over, back, over, back. Whoo, 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 whoo. Just a nice easy one to get us started. Just like tire run or ladder drills. Okay, you can slow it down, speed it up. Get the arms involved. Yeah. We don't want to max the heart rate too much in the first one. You got to keep a steady cadence to survive the whole 10 minutes. And that means I should probably start, meaning stop talking. I'll go slow side profile, over, back. High. Boom, 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 boom. High. This is an easy one. Where are we at? 7 seconds. Side kick through next, down. Side kick through, point to toe, high elbow, through. If you need to rest, you put your butt down. That's a kick, sit. Head points to 12 o'clock camera, feet kick to 9 and 3 o'clock, not 8 and 4 o'clock, not behind you. 20 seconds to go. Yeah, just turn and burn. Smash and thrash. Gain and sustain. 3 seconds. We're going sprawls to a high knee. You guys remember this one? Sprawl, boom. Just from Space Odyssey or Oddity number 30, workout number 30. Sprawl, opposite. Sprawl, boom. Like you're trying to smash someone's face in there. Boom. Down. 2 foot takeoff. Smash the knee. Drop back down. Woo, halfway. Bam. Boom. 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 Woo, I'm killing myself. Can't talk anymore. Sprawl. Yeah. Sprawl's the baby burpee. Ooh, dare I say there might be real burpees coming up. One more. Down. Yeah. Good. Frog hops. I'll turn sideways. Tall plank. In, out. Burning it up. Try to land flat foot. That can be your rest. Back. This one is a quad screamer. Hold the plank If you need to, ooh, you can come up and rest in this position if you have the mobility for it. And we'll need a mat nearby for the next move. Where are we? 18 seconds. My mic is dancing all over. Woo. Quads on fire. That's it. Get your mat. We've done these plank drop down push up. Okay. Down, down, up, up, push up. And no knee push up, so you'll have to roll in, roll back to stiff plank if you need to. That's how you modify, like so. Strict. Strict. Switch your hand order. Protect your elbows with something. Yeah. Keep it going, keep it going. Oh, I'm just looking ahead. Okay, jump, knee, tucks. We've done these as well. Up and down. I'm gonna link 5 together, plyo, and then take a breather. 1, 2, 4, 5. Keep it moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just do small, whatever you got. I'm talking too much. Try to be quiet when you land. I got one more, and then lateral skaters. Lateral skaters, touch the cone, jump, touch cone. So you want the hand to touch floor beyond your toe line. Talking too much. Find a rhythm. Whoa. Oh. We're getting through it. Make the legs give you depth. Don't just reach with the upper body. Axis crawl is next. Go slow with them. Remember this nasty move. Beast position. Slow crawl it. Knees stay low. That's 1-1. Oh, I just gave myself a sliver. So I have one going back. Reverse your direction each time so you don't get dizzy. Oh man, these are bad. There's a dowel right through your belly button. That's your pivot point. Don't make it your head. One more each, and then I gotta flush my legs. Because you're gonna need your legs next round. 2 more to go after this. Scissor lunge. Trying to jump them. Here, knee touch ground. Light reference, not a slam. Holy crap. walk them. You can slow shuffle if you need to. Sweat towel. Talking is brutal. Halfway there, gonna jump some. I'll just slow the pace. Ooh. Yeah. Let me know if you decide to do this 2 times straight in a row. Oh. I'll give you a gold star. Last move. Burpees. Full chest to floor. Absorb it. Up. Push with the feet. Gotta be airborne and clap. Tiny little jump. Try to get 10 or more. Sorry about that, Mike. There's 10. That's it. Woo! That's how you do 10 minutes. My goodness. Can't say much today. I can end this quick. You guys rock. Keep it coming. Share them around. Do it with somebody right beside you. Oh, and get back to my other programming if you haven't done them yet. Number 8 coming up next. Oh, shit.